4. Best AI business ideas. You can start as a beginner before 2026. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the business landscape, and now is the perfect time to tap into its potential. Whether you're a beginner or experienced entrepreneur, these 4 AI business ideas offer low startup costs and high scalability. Let's explore these opportunities that can help you earn money in 2026 and beyond. Number 1. Start a faceless YouTube channel with AI. Creating content without showing your face is possible with AI tools like InVideo.ai, Canva, and Fillmore. You can generate AI-created music, animated visuals, and more to upload on YouTube. For example, Heart on My Sleeve by Lil Miquela is a single AI-generated music video that went viral and earned over $10,000 from 2.9 million views in 2023. Starting this business requires minimal investment, around $50, and the process is beginner-friendly. 2. AI commerce. Build your e-commerce brand. AI tools can simplify the process of starting an e-commerce business. With platforms like Shopify and AI-powered tools for product research and ad creation, you can launch your online store quickly. Entrepreneurs have used AI to scale from $0 to $100,000 in sales in just 3 months. Startup costs range from $300 to $500, and with the right marketing, you could make $1,000 per day. 3. AI affiliate marketing. AI affiliate marketing allows you to promote other people's products using AI-generated content. By leveraging platforms like TikTok and AI video tools, you can promote affiliate products and generate substantial commissions. The cost to start is low, around $200, and it's easy to set up, even for beginners. 4. AI publishing. Create and sell ebooks. AI publishing is perfect for those interested in writing or creating digital books. With tools like Nano Banana, you can write and publish ebooks quickly, even creating custom children's books based on personal photos. It's an easy way to enter the publishing world without needing extensive writing experience. Final thoughts. Start your AI business. Today, AI is revolutionizing entrepreneurship, and these 4 business ideas offer an accessible way to make money online, even for beginners. Whether it's starting a faceless YouTube channel, launching an e-commerce store, diving into affiliate marketing, or publishing books, there's a business model for everyone. Don't wait, start building your AI-powered business today. If you want more tips and insights on how to use AI to your advantage, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting content. The future of AI-driven businesses is here, and the time to start is now. Let AI work for you.